In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit pictures on Shopify. We're going to walk through a simple, practical example together. Changing the background color of a product image right inside your Shopify admin. This is really useful if you want your store to look more consistent, more professional, or you just want your products to stand out a bit more. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. You should see the main admin homepage with your menu on the left-hand side. This is where you manage everything in your store, from orders and customers to products and settings. On that left-hand menu, click on Products. This will open a list of all the products you've added to your store. Take a second to let the page load, and then look through the list to find the product whose image you want to edit. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of items. Once you've found the right product, click on its name to open the product details page. This is the page where you usually edit things like the title, description, pricing, and inventory. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the media section. Scroll down the page until you see the media area. Here you'll see your current product images. Click on the specific image you want to edit. As soon as you click it, Shopify will open an image editor with several customization options. In this editor, you'll see different tools you can play with. For today, we're only going to work with the background color. This is a great place to start if you want a clean, branded look, such as using the same shade of white or a color that matches your logo. Now, choose the new background color you'd like. You can usually click on a color swatch or use a color picker. Take a moment to test a couple of options and watch how the product looks against each one. Aim for a background that makes your product clear and easy to see without being too distracting. When you're happy with how the image looks, click Save. Give it a moment to process the change. If you'd like to explore other edits later, you can always come back to the same editor and adjust more settings. And that's it. You've just edited a product picture on Shopify and changed its background color.